Myself searching for. How are you? Fine. Okay. Yes. Then I will handle your business study subject. Yes. Then in the first lecture we start with the first chapter, that is business, trade and commerce. Business, trade and commerce. Yes. So this chapter is categorized into two sections. First section is that section first history of trade and commerce. Yes. First section is that the history of trade and commerce. Then later words. Second section is that explains about the concepts, natures, yes. So and objectives of the trade, business and commerce. Okay. Yes. See, this is one very simple topic. See, if you go through that, the business, trade, and commerce, is it recent trend? No. Yes. So it was carried from the last, the ancient period. Okay. So when was it? Mesopotamia and Harappa civilization is there. Okay. So that times also the trade and commerce carried out. Okay. Yes. Then how that was? That means the presently we traded in currency or coins. Okay. Yes. But at that time there were no any the currencies like today. Okay. That time there were the trade were carried out by through the exchange of gold, silver, yes, copper, and next that colored gemstones, beads, pearls, okay, and seashells. It is a fair. Okay. So ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೇ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಹಳೆಯವಾದಂತಹ ಯಾವುದು ಹರಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಸೊಪೊಟೇಮಿಯನ್ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಏನು ವಹಿವಾಟನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಂಗಾರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾಪರ್, ಎಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಮುದ್ರ ಚಿಪ್ಪುಗಳು, ಎಸ್, ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಣಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಸ್, ಪರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಮುತ್ತುಗಳು. ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಏನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ by through the exchange of the gold, pearls, seashells, beads. Okay, it is here. Yes. Then next that exchange anna nodidivi. After that, so next one improvement in that business, trade and commerce is that indigenous bank. Indigenous banks. Indigenous banks. Okay. Yes. Then come to that indigenous banks. Then see, this is one improvement part in that older exchanges. That means here the new one system is established, that is metallic currencies. Okay, so that means here the metals are the supplement for the older exchange patterns. Okay, So here what happens, the hundis and chittis are broadly exchanged documents. So in this concept, hundi and chittis are the exchanging documents, and in this concept the metals are used for the transactions. And here indigenous banks, that means this one is the old or the initial pattern of the present banking system. That means it is one the first and primemost the part of that banking sector, then later words the banking sector will be step by step improved. Yes, so presently we reached that indigenous bankers through the internet banking. Okay, yes. Then see, in that concept there were Sahukaras there, Seth is there. Okay, so then landlord is there. Yes, etc persons are carried out this banking activity. Yes, so this banking activities are carried out by through the that Sahukara, landlord. Yes, so then properly we call that Dhani. Yes, so then Dekkanhar. Yes, etc are words used in that. Okay, yes. Then later words we see that the rise of intermediaries, the rise of intermediaries. Yes, so rise of intermediaries, that means it is one the essential part for the improvement of that business, trade and commerce. Yes, so how is that? That means here intermediaries are broadly acted in between the both of the exchanger. That means one party who lends to another party. That means here the intermediaries provide the safety for the lender. Intermediary provide the safety for lender. Yes, this one concept is carried out the new improvement in the business trade and commerce. Yes, so for example that brokers are there. Yes, commission agents are there. Okay, so etc parties are covered under the intermediaries. Okay, yes. Then this is about the history of trade and commerce. So under that the indigenous banking system and rise of intermediaries. Okay, yes. Then the next one concept is that transportation. Yes, yes. This section is very essential part for the growth or innovation of in the business, trade and commerce. Yes, so which that means transportation is the essential part. Okay, yes. So we see that at the time of the Roman Empire. Okay, so when there was the Turkey's attack on Roman Empire. Yes, then Roman Empire is declined. Yes, so ಯಾವಾಗ ಟರ್ಕರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಮನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ರೋಮನ್ ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೊಟಕುಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅನ್ನತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That's time. Yes, so that's time ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ land way is permanently blocked in between east and west. Yes, land way is permanently blocked in between the east and west. That means ಏನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಶ್ಚಿಮಾತ್ಯಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is a Constantinople ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So that was blocked ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, so So that's time it is required to find out new way for the business or trade and commerce is that the ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗತ್ತ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆರಿಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಗಾಗಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಡಲು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಎಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗತ್ತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗತ್ತ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿ maritime ways are founded in this concept. Yes, so that's why then so that's time the Columbus find out the America. Yes, so then after the Vasco da Gama. Yes, so you heard that the word Vasco da Gama in 1498. Yes, in 1498 who find the India through the seaway. Okay, so first of all ಏನು ಸಮುದ್ರ ಮಾರ್ಗದಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ವಾಸ್ಕೋ ಡಿ ಗಾಮ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥವ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1498ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೋ ಈ ರೀಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಕಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಕಟ್. ಸೊ ಭಾರತದ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಕಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಪೂರ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಕಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಕಲ್ಲಿಕೋಟೆ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕಲ್ಲಿಕೋಟೆ. ಕಲ್ಲಿಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, so then after next step is that trading communities strengthened is that. Yes, so merchant corporations are there, major trade centers are there. Yes, these parts we see in the next class. Okay, thank you.